Leica has always been known for its timeless craftsmanship, precision engineering, and the unmistakable charm of its rangefinder cameras. For over a century, the company has stayed true to its roots, crafting tools that balance simplicity with soul. But now, Leica is making one of its boldest moves yet. Introducing the Leica MV1, an M-series camera without the iconic rangefinder. Instead, it comes equipped with a built-in electronic viewfinder, EVF, signaling a new chapter for the brand. This change has set off waves of excitement and debate among photographers. Is Leica abandoning tradition, or redefining what the M system can be in a digital age? At first glance, the Leica MV1 looks every bit like a classic M camera. Its clean lines, solid metal build, and minimalist aesthetic remain intact. Yet, when you look closer, you'll notice something strikingly different: the absence of the rangefinder window. In its place sits a dark glass panel housing a stunning 5.76 million EVF, borrowed and slightly modified from the Q3. The result is a seamless blend of old-world design with new-age technology. This EVF offers bright, crisp detail, allowing you to preview exposure, depth of field, color modes, and even black and white conversions in real time. It removes the guesswork, letting you see exactly what your final image will look like before pressing the shutter. Leica's decision to move away from the traditional rangefinder isn't random. The company knows that while the rangefinder mechanism is iconic, it can also be limiting. For shooters who use ultra-wide lenses, telephotos, or adapted glass, framing has always been tricky. With the EVF, those limitations vanish. The photographer now sees precisely what the lens sees, with no parallax errors or cropped frame lines. It's also a huge advantage for those working with shallow depth of field lenses like the 75mm f/1.4 or the legendary Noctilux. With the EVF, focusing becomes more accurate, faster, and less reliant on muscle memory. Inside, the MV1 carries the same proven 60-megapixel full-frame sensor from the M11, delivering the same impressive image quality that Leica fans expect. The color depth, dynamic range, and detail remain breathtaking. Yet, there are small but notable differences. The MV1 comes with 64 GB of internal storage instead of the M11's 256 GB, meaning you'll rely more on external storage. Thankfully, it supports UHS 2 SD cards, ensuring fast writing speeds and reliability for demanding workflows. Paired with a high-speed SD card like the OWC Atlas Ultra, you won't face any bottlenecks even during high-resolution bursts or long sessions. In hand, the MV1 feels unmistakably Leica. It's about 82 grams lighter than the M11, bringing the total weight down to 460 grams, making it easier to carry and handle for extended periods. Some may find the lighter body more comfortable, while purists might miss the hefty, mechanical feel that Leica cameras traditionally have. The leatherette covering is patterned like the Leica Q series, adding a subtle visual link between Leica's different lines. It's a beautiful camera, classic yet modern, with an elegance that commands attention. Performance-wise, the EVF introduces an entirely new shooting rhythm. Traditional rangefinder users are used to focusing through split image alignment, a skill that requires patience and precision. The MV1's EVF changes that completely. You can focus anywhere in the frame, magnify for pinpoint accuracy, or enable focus peaking for visual confirmation. For portrait and macro work, it's a huge improvement, removing the need to recompose after focusing. It makes using adapted lenses from Leica's R series or third-party mounts more practical than ever. However, not everything is perfect. The EVF adds a short startup delay, about 2.4 seconds, similar to the M11, but now you can't pre-focus while waiting, since everything depends on the electronic display powering on. For fast street photographers used to instant readiness, that momentary pause might be frustrating. Battery life also takes a slight hit, because the EVF consumes more power than a purely optical system. Still, Leica's SCL battery performs reliably, and given the MV1's efficiency, you can comfortably shoot for hours on a single charge. Leica has also embraced modern digital standards with the inclusion of C2PA content authenticity. This means every photo carries verifiable metadata, helping confirm the image's originality, an important feature in an era of digital manipulation and AI-generated imagery. It's a small addition, but a forward-thinking one that shows Leica's awareness of where photography is headed. Shooting with the MV1 is a fascinating experience. Feels familiar yet different. You still get that tactile joy of turning the aperture ring, manually focusing, and composing with intent. The mechanical shutter sound remains satisfying, and the minimalist control layout keeps you connected to the act of photography. Yet, the EVF introduces a level of convenience that's hard to ignore. Being able to see your exposure adjustments, color balance, and depth of field before you shoot feels almost magical. It's like the camera is translating your vision into the final image instantly. Some photographers will undoubtedly miss the rangefinder experience, that meditative process of aligning two tiny images until they merge perfectly. It's a ritual, one that many believe defines Leica's soul. But Leica isn't trying to replace that magic. The MV1 exists alongside it. This camera isn't for the purist who lives for mechanical precision. It's for the photographer who values the M system's build and lenses, but wants a more modern, intuitive workflow. It's also an ideal tool for professionals who use M cameras in studio settings, where focus accuracy and exposure preview are more important than nostalgia. Price-wise, the MV1 sits slightly below the M11 and M11P, making it a more affordable entry point into the Leica ecosystem without sacrificing build quality or performance. While it may not hold the same collector's allure as a traditional M, it's arguably more versatile for real-world shooting. Leica is clear that this isn't an M11 variant. It's a new branch of the M family, one that reimagines how the system can evolve. During field testing in Italy's beautiful town of Alba, where Leica hosted the launch event, the MV1 proved its worth. Despite the rainy weather, the camera delivered outstanding results, with accurate colors, deep contrast, and the signature Leica look that photographers love. Composing with the EVF felt natural and immersive, allowing for a greater connection to the scene. Whether shooting street scenes, portraits, or architecture, the MV1 handled it all with elegance and consistency. In the end, the Leica MV1 isn't trying to be revolutionary in technology. It's revolutionary in philosophy. It's about providing choice. Leica knows not every photographer wants a rangefinder experience, and the MV1 gives them a new way to engage with the M system without diluting what makes Leica special. It's lighter, more versatile, and far more approachable for new users, while still maintaining that handcrafted precision and heritage that defines the brand. The MV1 may divide opinion, but that's what makes it exciting. It's Leica doing what it has always done best, evolving fearlessly while honoring tradition. Whether you see it as a daring move or a practical progression, there's no denying that the MV1 brings a fresh perspective to the world of Leica photography. After a century of innovation, Leica once again proves that it can respect its past while embracing the future. And the MV1 stands as a perfect symbol of that balance. A modern Leica with a classic heart.